that call us near, threads unseen becoming clear, a gentle wave that draws us here. Through the flow we persevere, a growing force, the air alive, hidden streams where hopes arrive, a rising shape that seems to thrive, guiding us as we contrive. Feel the motion taking flight, bound together, holding tight. This connection shows the way, binding hearts without delay. Winding through it won't betray, endless patterns here to stay. Underneath where the currents wind, pathways forming undefined. Every turn reveals a light, flowing deeper, strength combined. Hold this moment, let it flow. Every shape begins to show. Through the waves we gently glide, harmony our chosen guide.